Imagine a bike so simple, so tough, and so ridiculously fun that it turns every trail into a playground. That's exactly what Yamaha built with the 2026 TT-R110E. And today, we're diving into the little off-road machine that has become the go-to choice for beginners, families, and pit bike lovers all across the United States. Welcome back to Z Autos. Let's jump right in. If you've ever wanted a bike that's beginner-friendly but still exciting enough to keep you hooked for years, the TT-R110E gets it right from the start. Yamaha knows who this bike is for: riders who want confidence, simplicity, and fun without the stress of learning a clutch. That's why this thing comes with a 4-speed transmission and an automatic clutch. No left-hand juggling, no stalling, just twist, shift, and ride. Under the seat, it packs a surprisingly punchy 110cc air-cooled engine. Not too aggressive, not too slow. Exactly what a new rider needs to build skill without fear. And with electric start plus a backup kickstarter, this bike is ready to fire up whether you're on a smooth trail or deep in the woods. One thing Yamaha absolutely nailed is confidence. The TT-R110E sits at a comfortable 26.4-inch seat height, so kids, teens, and even adults hopping on for pit bike fun feel instantly in control. Combine that with over 7 inches of ground clearance, and this little machine can go places bigger bikes struggle with, all while staying stable and easy to handle. The suspension is classic Yamaha, a 31mm front fork with 4.5 inches of travel and a monocross rear shock offering 4.3 inches. It may be compact, but it handles bumps and rough terrain way better than you'd expect for its size. And yes, Yamaha kept it simple and reliable with drum brakes front and rear, because when you're learning, consistency matters more than complexity. And here's something everyone shopping in the USA wants to know: availability. The TT-R110E isn't some hard-to-find model that sells out instantly. It's widely available across Yamaha dealerships nationwide, with brand new 2025 and 2026 models priced around just $2,449. You can walk into most dealerships and find one ready to go. And if you're looking for a used one, 2016, 2021, 2023, they're everywhere. Because people buy them, ride them, love them, and upgrade when their confidence grows. Just remember, the TT-R110E is strictly an off-road bike. No street use, no plates. But it does come with a USFS-approved spark arrestor, so you're trail legal in national forests, a huge plus for weekend family adventures. At the end of the day, there's a reason this bike keeps dominating the beginner off-road segment in the USA. It's light, trustworthy, easy to ride, and built to last. Whether you're a parent looking for your kid's first real dirt bike or an adult wanting a fun pit bike that won't empty your wallet, the Yamaha TT-R110E is one of the safest and smartest choices you can make. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest, detailed motorcycle insights, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Z Autos. We've got plenty more coming your way.